CVLIFE, they sent me this bore sighting kit with leveling tools in there as well to make you get that much more accurate whenever you're doing anything. Now, I will say I cannot show this to you while it's in use in what we would be using these for because it doesn't make Amazon very happy, but I'll do the best I can to show you the features. So we have the guide. You'll want to make sure to keep the guide because while, yes, you have all of these different sizes, they don't give you the actual calibers on there. They have a number associated with it and the numbers are right there, or you can just guess and check and see whatever fits best. Now, right here we have the bore sighter. So if we look over here, we have a really, really nice crisp dot that is very easy to see. Even if I shine it out the window where we have, wait, hang on, let me turn it on. Yeah, even on the trees, you may not be able to see it, but I can see it over in the leaves right there as I move it around. So you can even capture it on green backgrounds as well. Now, one of the things that sets this apart, besides this little bit that helps for your larger bores, so that you can, let me just show you instead of talking. All right, so you pop this on here, and then for your subcompact and your compact barrels, it now will sit in there and it's not going to move around as much as it would if it was just like this. So that is a key piece that we like. But one thing that they did to set this apart is they added some levels. So we have right here this level, which you can attach, and we have this one that attaches to Picatinny as well, so that when you are going and getting that first go around to try and get on target and close up that spacing, make sure that you know we want to be accurate, right? So that, all that having been said, that's going to help you to get that much closer to where you need to be. With this kit, CVLIFE, they really hook you up to make it so that you are ready to rock, get everything on steel and get it as close as you can and accurate as you can with whatever you may need to sight in. So if you want an all-inclusive bore sighting kit that's going to last you a long time, especially since it has an extra 800 milliamp hour battery, then this one from CVLIFE, it's the way to go.